Steam's store currency is tied to your store, country, region, which affects prices, available games, and wallet funds. You can only change it once every 3 months, and it requires proof via a local payment method. Official steps: log into Steam, click your profile, top right, account details. Under Store and Purchase History, click Update Store Country. If prompted during checkout, for example after adding a game to cart, select the new country and complete a purchase with a payment method registered there: credit card, PayPal, or gift card from that country. This triggers the change instantly. If no payment method, click Contact Steam, support in the update prompt, select new country, explain your situation. For example, move to new country, need to update currency. Submit ticket, support reviews, 1 to 7 days. They may require address proof or a small purchase, around $5.